I want the food I bring to the dinner table to have loads of flavour and to end up with clean plates, but we don't always have hours to spend in the kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make my white chili chicken ready in 30 minutes using the shortcut of rotisserie chicken. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Do you ever buy a rotisserie chicken thinking, I'll do something with that, and then when it comes to it, absolutely nothing comes to mind? Well, that's where this recipe stemmed from for me. I was craving Chris's beef chili con carne, and I decided that I wanted to make a chicken version that could be ready quickly on a busy weekday. It's creamy, it's spicy, and it's loaded with all of those delicious chili toppings. So let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large frying pan. Add in a large diced onion and fry for 6 to 8 minutes on a medium heat until the onion softens. Now add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 1½ tablespoons of cumin, half a tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, along with 2 chopped jalapenos or green chilies, and 1 yellow bell pepper that's been de-seeded and chopped into chunks. Stir together and cook for 3 minutes until the spices start to release their fragrance. Now add in 720ml, which is about 3 cups, of good quality chicken stock. Bring to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes. A signature flavour and texture for chili con carne is in the beans. I want to keep this a light and creamy chicken dinner, so I'm using cannellini beans. But if you can't get hold of any, then you can use haricot beans, butter beans, or even kidney beans. So add in 2 300g or 10½ ounce drained tins of cannellini beans and cook for a further 5 minutes until heated through. Now we're going to stir in 120ml, which is about half a cup of full fat milk. Now add in the meat from a whole shredded chicken. I got a little under 500g off my chicken, which is about a pound. Bring to the boil again and simmer for 5 minutes. Now we're going to stir in a squeeze about a tablespoon of lime juice and then taste it. Add more lime juice and seasoning if required. Now if you want that sauce to be a little bit thicker, you can add in a cornstarch slurry, which is a mixture of 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch mixed with 4 tablespoons of cold water. Serve the chili chicken with some boiled rice and all the toppings. This is a brilliant, quick alternative to Chris's amazing slow-cooked chili con carne, full of those chili con carne flavours, but using a rotisserie chicken to make it super speedy. Total winner in our house. And be sure to check out our other creamy chicken dinners here.